Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how some people are literally making millions with AI while others are stuck in the same place? The truth is, AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's available to anyone willing to put in the work and learn the right skills. I am about to tell you about the 10 essential AI skills that could transform your financial future. Trust me, these skills will help you not just keep up with the tech revolution, but lead it. Let's start with the basics. If you're thinking about diving into AI, you absolutely cannot skip machine learning. This is the core of almost every AI application we see today. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data and improve over time. Here's how it works. Let us say you want to teach a machine how to recognize images of cats. You feed it thousands of pictures labeled cat or not cat, and over time, it learns to distinguish between the two. This is called training the model. And this is the foundation for almost all AI products out there, from Netflix recommendations to fraud detection systems at banks. To get started, you'll need to master algorithms like linear regression and decision trees. They might sound complex, but once you break them down, they're just tools for making decisions based on patterns in data. Get good at this, and doors to careers in data science, machine learning engineering, and AI research will open up for you. Now, if you want to level up from machine learning, you need to dive into deep learning. Think of this as the next evolutionary step. Deep learning uses neural networks, which are systems designed to think and learn like the human brain. These models are incredibly powerful. They're the reason we have self-driving cars, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even AI-generated art. Deep learning takes machine learning a step further, allowing machines to process data in complex ways. You'll be working with tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Don't worry if these sound intimidating at first. They're the industry standards, and there are tons of resources online to help you. If you can master deep learning, you'll be in high demand for jobs in fields like robotics, AI for healthcare, and autonomous systems. Alright, next up, natural language processing, or NLP. If you've ever talked to Siri, Google Assistant, or even a chatbot on a website, you've interacted with NLP. This is the skill that teaches computers to understand, process, and generate human language. NLP is used in a ton of industries. For example, businesses are using NLP to analyze customer feedback, generate content automatically, or even translate languages in real time. The beauty of NLP is that it connects machines with humans in a way that feels natural. If you're looking to get into NLP, you'll want to understand language models and tools like Spacey, NLTK, and even deep learning methods like BERT and GPT. By learning NLP, you'll be able to work on some of the most innovative and exciting AI projects out there, from building chatbots to automating customer service or even analyzing huge data sets of text. Let's switch gears and talk about computer vision. This is an incredible field where AI learns to see and interpret the world just like we do. We're talking about everything from facial recognition to analyzing medical images to driverless cars. If you've ever used an app to identify plants by their leaves, that's computer vision in action. It's how your phone can unlock just by scanning your face, but it goes way deeper. Hospitals use computer vision for detecting diseases like cancer in X-rays, and manufacturers use it to spot flaws in products on assembly lines. Mastering computer vision will put you in the heart of some of the most cutting-edge technology today. You'll learn to work with images, videos, and even 3D models. Tools like OpenCV and deep learning frameworks are essential here. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be ready to work in fields like healthcare, robotics, or even video games. Next on the list is data science. Now, this one is crucial. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Data scientists clean, manipulate, and analyze huge data sets to make sense of the world. And guess what? companies need people who can turn raw data into actionable insights. Think about how companies like Amazon, Facebook, and Google use data. They track everything from how users behave on their platforms to how products are performing in the market. Understanding how to gather, clean, and analyze data will open up job opportunities across every industry, whether you want to work in finance, healthcare, marketing, or tech. Learn tools like Python, Pandas, SQL, and NumPy. These are your go-to tools for handling and analyzing data. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to predict trends, improve customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about something many people overlook: AI ethics and bias. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we need to ensure it's used responsibly. Bias in AI is a real issue. Imagine an AI model that is unintentionally biased against certain groups of people because of the data it was trained on. Ethical AI is about ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in the models we build. Companies are now actively seeking experts in this field to help build systems that are both effective and equitable. Learning how to spot bias, mitigate it, and make sure AI is used ethically is going to be a game changer for you in the job market. Plus, it's the right thing to do. Being a responsible AI practitioner will make you stand out in a world where transparency is more important than ever. Alright, number 7, reinforcement learning. Now, we're talking about teaching machines how to learn by interacting with their environment. In simple terms, reinforcement learning is like trial and error. If you've ever played a video game, the game is constantly rewarding you for making the right moves and punishing you for mistakes. This technique is behind some of the most advanced AI systems, like self-learning robots, AI playing games like Go or chess, and even dynamic pricing models for airlines. It's an area that's growing rapidly and is key to areas like robotics, gaming, and finance. If you master this, you'll be at the forefront of creating self-optimizing systems that keep improving over time. Now, let's talk AI automation. This is about using AI to automate repetitive tasks and processes, saving businesses tons of time and money. Companies are integrating AI into everything from customer service to supply chain management. RPA, robotic process automation, is one of the most popular tools in this space. It allows you to automate tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and even customer support chatbots. If you can get the hang of setting up automation tools, you'll help businesses operate more efficiently and you'll be paid well for it. At number 9, cloud computing for AI. As AI systems scale, they need the infrastructure to process massive amounts of data. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure provide the environment for AI models to run and scale. By mastering cloud computing for AI, you'll be able to deploy your models at a global scale, collaborate with teams around the world, and tackle problems that require large datasets and high computational power. If you want to work in AI, understanding how to use the cloud is non-negotiable. Finally, let's talk about AI entrepreneurship. Knowing how to build AI-powered businesses is where the big money is. Think of all the companies like Uber, Airbnb, or TikTok. They're leveraging AI to disrupt entire industries. You don't need to be a coding expert to become an AI entrepreneur. What you need is a deep understanding of AI applications and how to create products or services that solve real-world problems. Whether it's launching an AI startup or offering AI consulting, becoming an entrepreneur in the AI space is a ticket to financial freedom. So, there you have it, 10 AI skills that could set you on the path to wealth and success. The AI revolution is here, and if you can master these skills, you'll be at the forefront of it. The best part? The demand for these skills is only growing. So, which one are you going to tackle first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to make money in the world of AI. Until next time, keep learning and keep hustling.